Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing iPhone 11 red in color. So here it is, iPhone 11. Now let's take the plastic off and start unboxing this iPhone, and after that I'm gonna do a first time setup and a quick review of this model. So let's have a look at the back, and as you can see it's 128 gigabyte. So let's open the box to see what is inside. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the new iPhone 11 Red, and this is different from the other iPhones because of dual camera and the glossy back that looks really nice. Now let's just keep it on the side to see what is in the actual box. So let's see what is in here. We have Apple logo sticker, SIM ejector pin, and user guide. So by the way guys, this user guide is translated to different languages. We have English, French, and etc. And we have wide earpods, and over there is the lightning cable. We also have here 5-watt iPhone charger together with this USB cable, and that's all what we have in this box. So now let's take a look at the phone closer. This iPhone has different design because of the nice glossy back of this phone, and another thing is it has two cameras. The first one is the ultra wide camera lens, and the second one is the standard wide camera, and there's also a flash right there. On the side we have volume up, volume down, and mute and mute button. On the other side there's a power button and a SIM card tray down there. And let's have a look again at the back of this phone. So as you can see, the iPhone text is removed and the Apple logo is moved to the center. We have a charging port at the bottom and speaker on the right side, and I think the microphone is on the left side. And there is another camera and speaker here, and we're done. So let's turn this on and set this up for the first time. There we go. So let's just swipe this up and select your language and your country. As you can see, there's a quick start option, but I want to set this up manually, so just select continue and connect it to the Wi-Fi. Once the device is connected, we have to wait for a few minutes because it may take time to be activated. And now, tap continue and scan your face for the Face ID. And there you have it. So let's put temporary passcode to proceed to the next step. If you want to restore apps and data from your old device, you will see different options here. And say for instance, you want to select move data from Android, so you will see an instruction here. But I'm just gonna select don't transfer apps and data so that I can set this up as a new phone. And of course, you have to enter your Apple ID, and if you don't have it yet, you have to select create a free Apple ID option. Then you have to enter your details like name and date of birth, your email address, password, and phone number, and afterwards you will be receiving a verification code. So let's just agree with the terms and condition, and it may take a few minutes for creating an ID. So afterwards, we just need to select continue, and for the Siri, set this up later. Same with the screen time. Then continue, display zoom, continue. Okay, so swipe this up and that's it. Finally, we're done setting up this iPhone. And one more thing is, before I forget, we have the iOS 13 running on this device. So let's get started. There you go. So I'm just gonna be placing an item right there, and then I'll be selecting one-time zoom, and basically this is the standard camera, and you can select photo mode or portrait mode. And if you want to use the ultra wide camera, you just have to tap this, and let's give it a try. Now we're gonna use the front camera. If you want to record a video, you can just select video mode, then there will be different options, then you can use slow motion. So let's try it to this eyeglasses to see how it works. So that's really amazing. If you want to change your wallpaper, just go to the settings and you will see different designs. You can choose black wallpaper with polka dots, and if you don't like it, you can choose another design. There is floral and other designs, so it's up to you whatever you want. So you have so many options here. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, guys.